afternoon. How are you today? Is there any problem finding our location? Can you please tell me about yourself?
My name is Dila. I recently graduated with degree in finance from MIT. I developed a passion for finance during my studies and internships, where I gained hands-on experience on finance, analysis, and budgeting. I also led my university finance club and participate in financial modeling competition. I am excited about this opportunity because I admire your firm commitment to innovate, and I'm eager to contribute my analytical skill to your finance team.
How did you handle a complaint?
First, I'll let the complainant speak fully without interrupting. Pull up necessary document before responding and verify the fact. Then I will explain the situation in simple, non-technical language. Reach out again to confirm the complainant is satisfied and record the complaint and how it was handled.
How do you handle situation when you encounter resistance to your proposed solution?
I will listen without defensiveness first, asking them what concerns them and offer alternative or build consensus, then follow up.
How do you ensure accuracy in your work when dealing with complex information?
When dealing with complex information, I employ several strategies to ensure accuracy. Firstly, I break down the information to manageable chunks, focusing on one aspect at a time to avoid overwhelm. I verify data source, cross-reference information, and conduct thorough research to validate accuracy.
You're working on a critical budget with a department head who constantly misses deadlines and profits incomplete data, delaying the entire company's financial planning. How do you approach the conversation to get him on track without making your working relationship?
I schedule a private one-on-one call to avoid putting them on defensive. I'll start by acknowledging their workload. Next, I frame the issues as shared responsibility rather than blaming them. Then, be specific about what's missing and what it matters. Finally, I'd propose a collaborative solution.
What will do you when you feel stressed about your work?
If it's at office, then I'll be doing a deep breath or stretching or doing a short walk. I also prioritize the tasks that are urgent or important to do first. If it's outside the office, I'll be doing my hobbies like listening to music or watching something funny.
When your company implements a new complex rule like a new tax regulation or a new financial procedure, how do you ensure that you and your team understand it correctly and comply with it consistently, especially when training time is limited?
I immediately read the rule document thoroughly and write down any unclear point, then reach out the company's complaint team to ask for clarification right away. Next, I gathered the team for a quick meeting to go over the summary, protect example, and open the floor for question. As a result, my team was able to complete the rule correctly.
How do you maintain work motivation when facing boring routine tasks?
I maintain motivation by setting small daily achievable goals, incorporating variety into routines like Pomodoro technique, and reminding myself for the bigger impact on team success.
How do you ensure accuracy when preparing monthly financial reports?
I apply a multi-layer verification process, such as making transaction data with supportive evidence, using standard checklists, and performing double check with team members before finalization.
Describe a time when you worked in a team on a financial project with conflicting opinions.
A recent budget forecasting project, team members disagree on revenue assumption. I facilitated data-driven discussion, compiling evidence for market reports to align on a consequence model, which ensured our forecast was accurate to delivered on time.
Can you describe a time when you had to explain complex financial information to non-finance stakeholders?
During a quarterly review, I simplified a cash flow forecast using visual and analogies, like comparing liquidity to a household budget, with gained executive buy-in for budget adjustment.